Hello, Doncaster. I want to thank you all for support for yourparty.uk. It's a fantastic endeavour we're involved in. Nearly 750,000 people have already signed up, which makes us larger than any other political party in Britain. Indeed, come to think of it, probably larger than all of them put together. That shows there is a real thirst and determination amongst so many people to build a society where we eliminate poverty, where we don't allow the two-child benefit cap to continue, where we don't take money away from people with disabilities, where we do compensate the WASPy women, and a society that does something to build houses for people that need them and control private sector rents. There's so much we have to do. And we also have to take back the utilities into public ownership, water, energy, and so many others, because we have to have a society that works for the many, not the few. That's why we established yourparty.uk. We're also committed to the future, a sustainable world, environmental sustainability, and net zero, not by cutting jobs, the very opposite, by investing in sustainable energy and sustainable transport systems. There's so much that we need to be doing as a society. But what do we have? 3 parties in government, in Parliament rather, Labour, Conservative and Lib Dems, that essentially follow the same economic pattern of austerity 2.0, essentially follow the same international strategy, which is arms trade wars and more arms going directly to Israel, which has supported the genocide in Gaza. So there is a lot we have to do as a party. And so we're holding public meetings all over the country. There are hundreds of them taking place, literally, as we speak. And we'll be holding big events and big rallies throughout the rest of this month and throughout October and early November. And our founding conference will be in November. It's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be inclusive. And you know what? The politics of despair, which is what is preached by Nigel Farage, the politics of despair, which is what Reform preach, which is all about blaming the most vulnerable people in the world, desperate human beings who fled from wars and human rights abuse to try and seek a place of safety somewhere else. We should look at the causes that they are forced to flee, and instead we are blaming them. Well, yourparty.uk, we're not into blame culture. We're into uniting communities and respecting the diversity of our society. It's strong, it's vibrant, it's for all ages, it's for all faiths, it's for all people who want to achieve a better, safer,